Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. The primary focus is on the timing of these windows, such as the popular 16-to-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours each day and then eat during an 8-hour window. While the timing is crucial, it's also essential to pay attention to the quality of food consumed during the eating periods. For instance, if you fast for 16 hours but then eat unhealthy, ultra-processed foods like chips, chocolate, and soda during the eating window, you might not achieve optimal results in terms of weight loss and overall health. Therefore, it's important to choose nutritious foods to maximize the benefits of intermittent fasting. In this video, we'll discuss 10 key food and drink groups to include in your diet while intermittent fasting. Lean protein, essential for overall health, immune function, and muscle maintenance. Good sources include salmon, eggs, chicken breast, cottage cheese, plain yogurt, legumes, almonds, cashews, and seeds like pumpkin seeds. Be cautious with protein powders, as they can be highly processed. Healthy fats, crucial for cellular health, energy, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Sources include olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, and olives. Fish and seafood, rich in protein and omega-3 fats, which reduce cellular inflammation. Options include wild-caught salmon, rainbow trout, mackerel, sardines, anchovies, mussels, lobster, and shrimp. Vegetables, packed with nutrients, vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, celery, and asparagus are excellent choices. Fruits, opt for low or medium sugar fruits to avoid metabolic health issues. Good options include raspberries, blackberries, kiwi, grapefruit, apples, strawberries, in moderation, lemons, limes, avocados, and tomatoes. Whole grains. While some may not tolerate grains well, options like oatmeal, millet, quinoa, and brown rice can be beneficial for those who do. Legumes and beans, high in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, they help balance blood sugar and reduce LDL cholesterol. Examples include black beans, chickpeas, green beans, lentils, and kidney beans. Herbs and spices, these have anti-inflammatory properties and enhance the flavor of meals. Examples include turmeric, ginger, rosemary, cinnamon, and sage. Probiotics, foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi help restore gut bacteria balance, which can be disrupted by illness or treatment. Drinks, during fasting, avoid anything with calories. Water, black coffee, herbal teas, and green tea are good choices. Coffee and tea can even enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. If you have any tips or foods that have worked well for you, share them in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful, and please subscribe, like and share for more videos to come.